Hey, I've got this solar light here from OKPRO for an unboxing and review. Look at the size of this thing. This is everything that came in the box. What an attractive looking light. It's pretty darn big too. I left it on the pad there so it didn't scratch up the solar panel that's on the other side. Big old panel on that thing too. There's the user manual there. And then it's got the mounting pole, little bracket that comes with the pole too. So if you want to put this around a fence post, you can do that with that, along with some of the fasteners that come with it as well. So all kinds of fasteners here for different types of mounting. So you can put it in, it comes with some cement, some bolts to stick it in some cement or brick. For me, I'm just going to put it on a piece of wood and use some lag bolts. Actually, I won't even be using this. I'm just going to take this and just mount it right into a piece of wood here. And it comes with some spare bolts, some spare fasteners, and the remote. Now we want to put this on here. So what we're going to need for that is to connect these two pieces. We're going to need this here. That's going to go on the back side of that. We're going to use this fastener combination here to secure it. Flipped over the light, and then you're going to put it in with this side here. So we'll just go ahead and put this thing on loosely for starters. And then the bolt's going to go in on this side, and the washer and nut go on this side. There we go. So we just put that on. Now we can slide this thing right in there. Now this chalk right here is going to go towards the bottom. So that's going to be on the bottom when this is facing up. We'll go ahead and crank these down. Push that in all the way and crank those down. Oh, it even comes with a wrench to tighten these with. I'm just mounting it up with these lag bolts there. All right, now for the remote, this is real easy. So you got your on and off there, and then it's got motion detection on or off as well. And so what it'll do is it'll actually go up to 100%, and then it'll drop down to 30% when people are not around. If somebody comes around, activates the motion sensor, it bumps it up to 100. So it never goes fully off, it just goes from 30 to 100. And then you can drop it down 25, 50, 75. This is your percentage of 100% of the light that thing will put out. Then you can also set it for 2, 3, 5, 6, or 8 hours to keep the light on. This is the amount of time that the light will stay on.